Hello students, good morning. We are here to discuss about the BODMAS rule. So here we will going to solve some of the questions of the simplifications related to the BODMAS rule. Okay, so before starting using the BODMAS rule, we need to know what is BODMAS. The meaning of BODMAS, BODMAS. So let's start discussing. B for bracket, O for off, nothing but multiplication. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. This is a rule of doing or solving some simplification questions. So, as the rule says, BODMAS, that means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtractions. So what is the meaning of bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction? So if in the question bracket is present, multiplication is present, division is present, off is present, then we need to follow this rule. If in a question all these things are present, then first work we have to remove the bracket. Then off we need to work on off. Then division will come, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Let's see some of the questions related to this type of problem. See, use BODMAS and simplify the following. So as you can see, the question is says 8 into 11 plus 5 into 6 minus 75. So as you can see, in BODMAS rule, first of all, bracket will come first. So we need to find, is there any bracket in this question? No. So we need to remove this B here. Off is not here. Division is here. No division question is given here. Okay. Now we will move forward to the multiplication. That means M. Is any number is multiplied? Yes, here two pairs are there which is multiplied. See, one pair is 8 into 11, another pair is 5 into 6. So, though in the 11 plus 5 is also given. So, first of all, we will not move forward to this part. First of all, we will only do the multiplications by whom it is multiplied. Here, two pair we can see. One is 8 into 11, another one is 5 into 6. Clear? So, let's see how to solve this. 8 into 11, we need to solve this first. So 8 into 11, 8 11s, what is the value? 8 11s, that is 88. So after that plus, as same, you will put it here plus. Next you will do this multiplication. So multiplication will come before addition. So what we need to do? We need to multiply them. See, 5 into 6. What is that? 5 6 30. You write it here 30. Okay. Next the remaining will be same. So minus will come. Then 75 will be the same. Okay. Next you see. Now here what are the signs? You can see here. One is positive. Another one is negative. Isn't it? So plus and minus is given here. Positive and negative sign are given. So now up to multiplication my part is completed. Next addition part will come, then subtraction will come. So now you see addition part will come, then subtraction. Okay. So in addition, what are the terms related to the addition part? See, 88 plus 33 are given. Only 88 and 33, these two numbers are combined by or joined with the symbol that is positive. Now we need to add this two. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer is 11. Okay. Now minus 75. Okay, now subtraction we need to do. So only one symbol, as you can see here. So subtraction we will do. So I am doing rough work here. See, 118 minus 75. So how we can solve this? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. Subtraction we are doing. Okay, then 11 minus 7 is 4. So answer is 43. Understood? I am repeating how we are solving this type of questions. We are following this rule, that is BODMAS, BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So bracket means B. Is there any bracket? No bracket. Of, no of. Division, no division. Then multiplication is there? Yes. Two terms are related to the multiplication. One is 8 into 11 and other one is 5 into 6. So 8 11 is 88, 5 6 is 30. Then the remaining, the number, this sign will be same, this sign, the remaining part will be same. Now we will do what? 88 plus 33. 30. So 88 plus 30, addition we need to do. So we will do what? Addition here after the subtraction. Let's move forward to the next question, that is 18 divided by 6 minus 3 plus 4 minus, okay. So BODMAS. So first of all you search for the bracket. Is there any bracket? Yes, one term are there, comes under bracket. Okay, so the bracket work we will do first. The rest of the things will be same. 18 divided, all this term will be same, only we will do the addition, multiplication, whatever are there inside the bracket work first of all we will do. So 6 minus 3 is given, so 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. You will write 3. Now the brackets are open. Now plus 4 minus 10. The rest will be same. Okay, so only the whatever inside the bracket we will do that part only. Okay, clear? So 6 minus 3 is 3. I am writing it here 3. Okay, next you see, okay, brackets work is completed. Now off, is there any off question? Off number, off is given? No, no off is given. Then division, now look for the division. Is there any term depends on the division? Yes. 18 divided by 3 is given. This part is given, isn't it? So we will not look forward. We will look forward to another term. We will only do the division part. See, 18 divided by 3. So we know that 18 divided by 3, what will be the answer? That is 6. I am directly writing the answer, that is 6. The rest will be same. You write it same as well. Okay, next. Multiplication is given. No multiplication sign are given, so no need to do that. Skip that part. Then addition. Is there any addition part? Yes, 6 and 4 are there combined by addition. So 6 plus 4 is what? 10. 10 minus 10, that is 0. So 0 is the answer. And do the rest of the question. If you find any difficulty, then type it here or send me the mail. I will check it. Thank you.